DipTrace provides fast, error-free manual routing capabilities with real-time design rule check. Let's zoom in a little bit and change layer display mode to contrast for convenience. Click the Route Manual button to switch to routing mode. A panel is displayed on the left, enabling clear and efficient routing management. For fast and easy routing, DipTrace allows you to select one of the available modes. You can choose to show routing errors when they are made or prohibit any violations of design rules altogether. To create a new trace, left-click at the starting point and draw a line to the next one. If you try to create a trace or move an object with design rule violations, red circles will signal about errors. Select the walk-around option. This allows the trace to automatically route while smoothly avoiding obstacles on the board. Then enable the Push Traces option. As the trace moves along its path, it intelligently pushes other traces and vias aside while maintaining clearances defined by your design rules. For maximum efficiency, enable the Combine Push Traces plus Walk-Around mode. If you need to change the routing layer, you can use the right-click submenu or simply press the L hotkey and select the desired layer. With these tools, manual routing can be completed efficiently and with minimal effort. Left-click on any part of the routed net or choose Edit Traces tool to enable trace editing. Use Tab hotkey to toggle between the selection of a segment, a trace, or an entire net. Once selected, trace segments can be moved. The position will be changed respecting 90 and 45-degree angles. In free trace editing mode, trace segments and nodes can be moved in any direction, with unrestricted changes of angles at vertex points. Nodes can divide a segment into as many parts as you need. They are added with right-click submenu or with N hotkey. Nets, traces, or segments can also be moved to another layer. In this case, vias are placed automatically. You can select one or several segments to change their properties at once. Width can be adjusted using templates or typing a new value. Press W hotkey to quickly change it. Hotkeys can be customized via Tools, Hotkey Settings. Teardrops are sometimes necessary in the critical trace connection points, mostly to enhance structural integrity during fabrication. In DipTrace, you can create teardrops for all existing through-hole and SMD pads, vias, and net T-junctions of the layout, or customize them for individual pads, vias, or nets. Just set teardrop length and width as a percentage of the trace width or pad size and apply to the required object.